we're going to take a look to see how to set up Robot C. Before you even do any code or work with any of your hardware, there's a few things you need to check before doing anything. So once you get Robot C loaded up, you should see this splash screen, the start page. Um, what you'll need to do is first you'll need to go to the robot menu. The robot menu is going to have the things that you need to check to make sure that the program is set up to run the code on the Cortex. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to the VEX Cortex communication mode and make sure it says USB only, because we're not going to use the VEXNet that is wireless. We're going to send our code through the USB cable only, so we want to make sure that is selected. The next thing you'll want to check and make sure is selected is in the platform type. In the platform type, you want to make sure that here that the natural language PLTW is selected. If it's the natural language 2.0, you're not going to see the code that we're going to be using here in class. So if I go click that now, this menu on the left changes because it has different code for different uses. So we want to make sure that our platform is for the natural language PLTW, and then we want to make sure that the Cortex is selected here, um, not the VEX-IQ, because there's different controlling devices, and we're using a Cortex. Okay, so by selecting that, it should also have Cortex selected here. Okay, so those are two things that you absolutely need to check. If you're having trouble getting your code to work or anything, you're getting any sort of error messages, that definitely is something that you need to check first before you do anything else, because if those are not selected, your code will not work.